we now move on to producer surplus under application of integration in business. So what is producer surplus? The producer surplus is the difference between the revenue the producer receives from the quantity demanded in units of a good when the market price, which is the actual market price per unit, and the revenue that she was willing to accept for successive units of the goods from Q is equal to 0 to Q is equal to quantity demanded. Therefore, whenever you want to find the producer surplus, the formula is given by area of a rectangle, where we explain the area of a rectangle where it comes from, minus the area under the curve. So PO, which is the actual market price multiplied by the actual quantity, minus integral of quantity demanded times overall, and quantity is equal to 0 of a demand function, which is going to be integrated by dq. So let's do some examples so that you can fully understand what we're talking about. So we have an example which says find the producer surplus for P is equal to 20 plus 4Q, and P is equal to Q squared plus 6Q when the quantity demanded is 4. So we are going to answer question B. So question B, we are saying that P is equal to Q squared plus 6Q, and you have been told that the quantity demanded is 4. So what is that quantity demanded? It's given by QO is equal to 4. So now, going back to this formula here, so you have been given everything in this formula except for what? For PO. So how are we going to find PO? So the actual price, market price, will be found by, since you have the quantity here, so we're going to, from this same formula here, so P is equal to, we have Q squared. So what's our Q? It's 4 squared plus 6. What's our Q? It's 4 here, is equal to 4 squared 16 plus 6 multiplied by 4, it's 24. 16 plus 24, it's 40. So we have the price, which is PO is equal to 40. So now going back to the formula for producer surplus, which is this one here. So producer surplus is equal to PO minus integral Q is equal to QO. Q is equal to 0. Then the demand function dq is equal to, so POQO. How are we going to find POQO? PO, we have said it's 40 multiplied by, what's our QO? It's 4 minus integral. So what's our QO? Our QO, we have said it's 4 here, we have a 0 here. What's our demand function? It's Q squared plus 6Q. dq is equal to, what's 40 by 4? So 40 by 4 is 160 minus, integrating this one, you're going to have Q power 3 over 3 plus, integrating here, we have 6Q squared over 2. So 2 into 2, it's 1. 2 into 3, 6, it's 3. Then here we have these two limits. We have an upper limit of 4 and the 0 here, which is equal to 160 minus Q power 3. So we're going to put this 4 on both equal values for Q, and this is 0 in both values for Q. So here we have 4 to the power 3 over 3 plus 3Q squared. So 4 squared minus. So when you have a 0 here, 0 here over 3, here 0 to the power 3, it's 0. 0 over 3, it's 0. Even here, plus 0 squared, it's 0. 0 times 3, it's 0. 0 over, okay, it's just 0. So even 0 plus 0, it's 0. So you have a 0 here is equal to 160. So what's 4 to the power 3? 4 to the power 3, we are going to have 68. So now 68 is divided by 3. The answer is 16. So you have minus here, 16 here, plus. What's 4 to the power 3? So 4 to the power 3 is, 4 squared. 4 squared is 16. 16 multiplied by 3. We are getting the answer to be 16 multiplied by 3, that's 48 here. So it's 160 minus 16 plus 48. What are we getting? We are getting a 64 is equal to. So what's 160 minus 64? The answer is 96. You are done. As simple as that. So for example 1, which is our A, you can do it yourself because we have already done example 2, which they are just the same thing, just same application, same thing. So you can still do it. So quickly look at the example you are doing, which is example A. So the question says find the producer surplus for P is equal to 20 plus 4Q when the quantity demanded is 4. So using the same application you have used here, that's how we are going to answer example 1. Here we answered the example B. So now we answered in example 1. So quickly do this example for yourselves.